In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a giveaway on Facebook by creating one by using RafflePress inside of WordPress. So here I have a clean installation of WordPress, and we're going to install RafflePress, which is the best WordPress giveaway plugin. Use it to grow your email list, website traffic, and social media followers with viral giveaways and contests. There is a RafflePress Lite that you can use the free version to check it out. We're going to be using the pro version in this video, so you can click on Get RafflePress Now, set up your account. Once you have an account, we'll click on Login. On the left-hand side, you can enter your email address, your password, and click Login. Once you're logged in, we're going to click on the Downloads tab here. It's the second from the left. And here we're going to click on Download RafflePress. We also need the license key here in the bottom left. You can click the little icon here to copy that to your clipboard. We can go ahead and close this tab. Now I'm back inside of WordPress, and on the left hand side I have plugins and add new. And up top here we have upload plugin. Let's go ahead and click on this, and I'll drag this zip file from here and I'll drop it on choose file. Alternatively, you can click on choose file and select the zip file from your hard drive. Let's go ahead and click on install now, and I'm going to activate the plugin. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and just paste this license key right here and click verify key, and you should see a green success message here in the top right corner. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab at the bottom of my browser. There, now we have RafflePress fully installed and ready to go. On the left-hand side, we have the RafflePress menu, and we can go ahead and add new. RafflePress is going to ask you for a giveaway name, so this would be the name of your giveaway that you plan on launching on Facebook. So we'll go ahead, I'll just call this one something simple like Facebook giveaway. And down here, you have select a template. You have the classic giveaway, and then you have all of these different options. So the one we're going to use is to grow your Facebook page. So let's go ahead and click on use this template. And by default, this will enter a couple Facebook options here for people to enter your giveaway or contest. So it added the visit us on Facebook, which will give them 1 point, as well as view Facebook post or a video, which will give them 1 point as well. On the left-hand side here, you can see different options, details about your contest. We also have tabs for actions. That's what these are right here. We also have the design of your contest with a few options to customize this, as well as our settings page as well, which we'll get to. So first up, we have the details that we're on right now. So you can click either here or here to edit your title. We can click and you can see that this changes into an editor. I'll go ahead and update the name here, and then you can put your description here as well. We also have the option to select an image, which we highly recommend to catch people's eye. So I'll click on select image, and this will open up your media library or to upload your files. And I have one here already. It's just a picture of a tablet. So this would be a good place to show maybe the item that you're giving away. You could also maybe put some text on your image as well. Let's go ahead and put choose image, and we can click on done editing here, and you can see a preview of our contest here. Now on the left hand side, we have the start and end time. We can select when it starts, when it ends. So I'll go ahead and update these as well as my time zone. Great, now that should be all of the details set for your new giveaway. On the left hand side, we can click on actions, and this is where you can add more actions down here. By default, that Facebook template added 2 Facebook actions here, but you can also add other ones for Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitch, YouTube, your email newsletter, which might be a good one to combine with Facebook to grow your email list. And then we can click on each individual one here. So for example, visit us on Facebook. If this is your main goal, then you might want to give them more points or entry points to your contest or giveaway. So for example, the default is value of 1 entry. We could maybe give them 2 for this one, as well as this one here. We could maybe give them 2, and then maybe just 1 point for the email newsletter. So it kind of pushes them towards the Facebook options first. Let's click back on the first one here, visit us on Facebook. You can change the title if you like. I'm going to leave this one alone. You can make it mandatory, which I think I'm going to. We'll do that. Here you can put in the Facebook page URL. I'll paste our Facebook page right here. And you can also allow daily entries if you like. I'm going to leave that off for now. Let's do the next one, which is view Facebook post or video. So here you can have people view a post or video and then get credit for this. So you can direct them to a specific post or video of yours that you put on your Facebook page. You can make this mandatory as well as the actual URL to that post or video URL. So right here, I'll just paste that URL, and we should see that be included inside of this when we expand it. Okay, great. Now that we're happy with our entries and our actions, let's go ahead and go to design. And here we have some different options. For layout, we have the layout change for header, text, image. That's what we have right now. Or we can change it to image, header, and text. In the future, we will be adding more styling and design options. We have fonts here that we can change. So maybe you want to change it to a different font, as well as the button color, which is this one right here. We could, for example, this is with Facebook. I could keep the blue theme if we wanted to, or go totally different. For the page background, you can actually set a page background color, or a background image. I'm not going to use an image. Sometimes I do, but maybe we'll change this to a gray, so it makes the inside part here pop off the page a little bit more. And we have our custom CSS here that you can add easily in the field below. Keep in mind that you will have to click save and then preview to see custom CSS changes. On the last tab here, we have settings. So we can go through general. And here we have the Facebook name. We have the URL here. So since this will be a Facebook contest, you want to have a page permalink, or you could also include this contest or giveaway inside of a pre-made WordPress page or post, even with our shortcode. So we could do something like maybe FB contest, and now you can click view to see that contest set up there. You can hide the total entries if you like. You can also show the winners if you wish. You can limit signups per IP, so I'm going to go ahead and click this little feature, and you can show the RafflePress link on your contest or giveaway to support the RafflePress plugin if you like to do so. We also have an affiliate program here if you want to read about the details of that by clicking the link. Under email verification, you can go ahead and have people confirm their email, and then there's the from email, from name, the subject, and confirmation email message. Down here we have success tracking, so you can put some onload scripts here, as well as some conversion scripts. Below that we have success redirect, so if you want to have people redirected after they enter the contest, you can go ahead and do that here. If you have a refer a friend entry, this setting will be ignored since refer a friend is never completed. So if you have a thank you page maybe, or even another giveaway that you could refer to, or something else, you could have a chain of them if you like. Let's go ahead. I'm going to keep this off for right now. We also have social logins that you can use for people to log in with Facebook. So that might make sense if they're already coming from Facebook and you're doing a Facebook giveaway. You will need to set up the Facebook app ID, which you can click here to get that set up. Down here we have the GDPR. This is the consent, which will add a checkbox to giveaway registration, which users must agree to in order to register for the giveaway. So we can activate this, put your text in, and this is what the people will be agreeing to for your giveaway. We also have reCAPTCHA here, so you can enable invisible reCAPTCHA if you like, or you can leave this off completely. We'll have a site key and a secret key here to enter those, and you can learn how by the link here to get those site keys. We also have webhooks, which you can enable. So different options here, which you can set up to have something trigger based on an action in your contest with different third-party services. For right now, I'm going to leave this unchecked. Once you're happy with everything, let's go ahead and click save. We can actually head over to the third tab here for publish. And now we have 3 different options for adding your new giveaway for Facebook onto your page or your website. We have the RafflePress WordPress block. So when you go into a page or post, you can just add RafflePress as a normal block. For example, text block, paragraphs, images. When you install RafflePress, you now also have a RafflePress block in the block editor. We can use the WordPress shortcode, which is the more of the older style of doing this. So you can use the shortcode block in the block editor, or if you're using an older WordPress version, you can just use this shortcode the old way. We also have the giveaway landing page, which is what we set up earlier with the URL here. And if we click view page, you should already see this setup here and the different contest information, photo, how to log in, 3 ways to enter, and then the different options here. I'm just going to close this for a moment. Once you're ready, let's go ahead and save this. And that's all there is to it. We can come back and view the page again, and you can see the information here. So let's go ahead and use an email to sign up. And I'll click on enter, and then we have the 3 ways to enter. So here's the visit RafflePress on Facebook, so I can open this and then visit the page. So here we can see that, and then they can click to follow you, view different information about your Facebook page. We also down here have the view Facebook post or video. Let's go ahead and we can see that this is included. So here's a nice video about the best web design software for building by Syed, and you can go ahead and click get entry. And then lastly, we have the join an email newsletter, which they can click to join. And there is an option to set up a third-party email marketing service in the options for the contest as well. Right, I'm just going to log out here and I'll enter a few more entries and then I'll show you how to choose a winner. So here, as you can see, I tried to add a 4th person, but since we limited the number of signups by 3 for IP addresses, it shows me a message saying you have reached the maximum number of signups. So currently I can only add 3 people. Go ahead and close this, and I'm going to close this out, and we'll come back to the giveaway section. And here it'll list all of your giveaways set up in RafflePress. We can see one here, the Facebook giveaway, which we just set up. Let's go ahead and click on this. And here you can change the details. If we come back, we can see the details of it. The users, 3. How many entries? These are entry points. So if you remember, they got 2 points for the Facebook entries and 1 for the email. You can see the start date, end date, and the status. We can go ahead and end this now. And you'll see that the status changes to needs winners. Let's go ahead and click on this. And it'll give you an option for winner selection. So you can click pick winner. how many winners do you want, unverified emails are allowed to win, or only verified emails. Since I use fake emails, I'll leave it on unverified, and we'll just choose a winner now. We have this person has won, and that was actually the only option because they're the only one that had entries in here, as I didn't enter the other two fake emails into the giveaway or contest. And that's how you select a winner. I'll leave a link in the description. We also have an article here written by Stacy on how to run a giveaway on Facebook, and she goes into greater details on step 1 and 2 on setting your Facebook giveaway goals and how to choose a giveaway prize. And she has many other great blog posts about RafflePress on our blog at rafflepress.com. Thank you so much for watching this video on how to run a giveaway on Facebook. If you're interested, check out these videos on how to create Instagram giveaways and how to create YouTube giveaways to help take your business to the next level. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.